Hi everybody, my name is Omar Tarabai. I'm the CTO of PERIAN, and I would like to show you some of the capabilities of the PERIAN Sky platform. Let's start by signing up on our website. You can use SSO to create your account. As soon as you log in, all information will be carried on. You only need to enter your company name, review and accept PERIAN's terms and conditions, and click on Create Account. A request will be sent to us and will be reviewed as soon as possible. Once you're granted access to the platform, you can already start using the hub. Let's take a look at creating a new job. Through this form, you can specify all the requirements that you need, including the number of CPU cores, memory, number of accelerators, accelerator type or location, and sustainability requirement. You can then specify the workload information, the image name, the command, and any environment variables that need to be passed, and you simply click on Start Job. Let's take a quick look at the previous jobs. You can see the list of all the jobs that you've executed here. You can dig into the job and look at all the details, including the instance information that was picked for the job, logs, and all the information about the job itself. You can also use the CLI to interact with the PERIAN Sky platform. Let's start by looking up all the accelerators that are currently available. By running this command, we get a list of all currently available accelerators. Now let's say we have a GPU-intensive workload that we want to run on 8 A100 GPUs. We also have a restriction of running our workload within Germany. You specify all the requirements through the CLI command, including the country code, the image information, and any command or environment variables that you want to execute on the image. The optimizer picks up the request, looks at the requirements, and picks the perfect instance to run your workload on. Now let's look at the status of the job. We can already see that the status is initializing. We can also see all the information about the instance that was picked up by the optimizer, including the provider and all the details about the hardware. After waiting for our job to complete, we can check its status again. And we see that the job is done, and we see all the information about the job, including any logs that were outputted by the job. In addition to the web UI, CLI, and API, users can also interact with the PERIAN platform through one of our many machine learning orchestrator integrations. For example, with Flight. This here is an example simple Flight workflow. Running this workflow depends on having enough resources, including GPU resources, the user's Flight cluster. But by integrating with PERIAN, users can run any workflow on the PERIAN platform if they don't have the resources they need locally. And to do that, it's quite simple. You just add the PERIAN plugin package and then specify the requirements that you need in the PERIAN config. For example, requesting one T4 accelerator, and simply just running the workflow as the user usually does. In addition to the capabilities that you just saw, the PERIAN Sky platform supports much more, such as VS Code integration for developer mode, keep alive mechanism, and much more. Thank you.